length of your arrow depends on your bow. For my short bow, I am making a length of arrow of 25.5 inches, or 65 centimeters. Use the thicker part of the bamboo shaft to use as your arrow tip. This will strengthen your arrow and make it fly better. A screw is able to carve the inside of the bamboo. That will make your arrowhead become solid and not get loose with the first hit. If your bamboo cracks and makes an opening, don't worry about it. This crack will actually benefit the arrow, as we will see in one of the next steps. Find the ideal wire thickness to use. It should not be too thin and it should not be too thick. This step makes a seal on the screw, and even if you hit a hard surface, the screw will not break and get buried inside the bamboo. It also gives weight to the front for better penetration, and it evens out the triangle shape of the tip. By using plastic tape, you smooth out everything. You secure the wire and you prevent the bamboo from opening further. With these steps, you have made the leather unable to break free no matter how much you pull the arrow back. A little less than half of the leather whiteness should be extending from the bottom of the bamboo, You'll see why later. The feathers should be placed 2 fingers away from the arrow nock. You will need this gap to hold all your arrows on your arrow hand, as I have shown you in a previous tutorial. Almost ready. Only one little detail remains. If we let the leather as it is, it makes it hard to knock it on the string. The extended leather made a natural bowl. This makes the arrow hold the string by forming a small natural nock. Now you can even throw your arrow with an atlatl thrower. But how strong is this arrow? Let's test it. I will use these 2 heavy plastic doors that I found. They are thick and hard. Well, what do you know? It passed through it. I'll do the same from a longer distance. I'm going to shoot a bag full of solid ground. This type of bag is used to stop bullets. The screw in front serves one more purpose. It can help you pull out the arrow with no effort by unscrewing it if it hits a piece of wood. Notice that I'm not cheating by shooting on the side where it's thinner or to the top where the ground is not too heavy. The penetration of this light bow and nockless arrow is very decent. After watching these tests, judge by yourself if this arrow is deadly or not. Thanks for watching my tutorial and test of strength.